Hey guys, it's time to get another buzz with your cuz. Little excited again today because we're going to try the original Marzen. That's right, or the original Märzen. Some people have been calling me out on my German pronunciation, so I'm going to do my best to assimilate that into our videos. And the original is done by Spatenbräu, which is the Spaten Brewery. Spaten means the spade. So that's a hop shovel there, a hop spade. That's what's on the label here. Some interesting stuff. The original Marzen. Well, let's see if you could read that, if we could get it into get this into focus or not. Anyway, malt liquor, guys. Malt liquor alert. 5.9% alcohol. So this one will sneak up on you, right? When you think malt liquor, we don't think about German purity laws and Oktoberfest brews, but that's what we have here. Right on this label, brewed in Munich, München, 1397. Now this is only a couple hundred years old, this particular Oktoberfest beer, because the festival didn't exist in the 1300s, but brewery's been putting out beer for a long time. Not as long as Weihenstephan. 1040? Yeah. Let's get this open. See what we got here. Actually smells nice. One of the things that worries me about Spaten is, just like a Heineken, the green bottles sometimes get a little skunky. I mean, this beer's come a long way from Munich to my kitchen. And the green bottle, exposure to light, really starts to affect the flavor of the beer. This one smells great. Smells very clean. Let's give it a pour here. Well, it's a very bronze color. Right, it's a little bit darker than some of the other Munich ales we've had and lagers. Look at that. This usually means that this bronze or things, could be a toasted caramel flavor in here. Definitely roasted malts. You can see it. The color's a little bit darker. Oh, it just smells great. Just trying to get through the head. Nice, creamy. Feels smooth. Yeah. This is not bad. Now, I know a lot of people don't like oh, Spaten, that's not my number one choice. You know whose number one choice it is? The mayor of Munich. Ostafstis, like it's tapped. He toasts the crowd with Spaten. Original Marzen. I can't say he's wrong. It's actually pretty good. I got a good one. This would be great with something salty. Pretzel. You know, maybe sausage, schnitzel, chicken schnitzel. I like it. I have to say, this is a pretty good product. I think a couple of the other Oktoberfest beers have this a little slightly edged out, but this is pretty good. I'd serve this to friends. I think we'd have a pretty good time. I would definitely visit this brewery in Munich when that's open again. So right now they're closed because of COVID and we can't really fly over there and blah, 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 all the nonsense. But you can bet the next time we're in Munich, we're not only going to eat at their food stands and their restaurants, we're going to go to the beer tent, we're going to go to the real Spatenbräu, right to the original brewery. And we're going to have a damn good time. We're going to bring you with us, maybe. We'll see. So this should be served at about 46, 47 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not going to put you through the Celsius nonsense here in America. And on the IBU scale, it's about a 23. So it has a little bitterness, but not nothing overbearing. It's actually very balanced, mostly roasted malt and a Swedish caramel flavor inside of this beer. A perfect beer to catch a buzz with your cuz. If you're legally consuming in your area, and in this case, Spatenbräu. So one of the other great things about Spaten, served at the festival, one of the 6. and we have one more that we're able to get our hands on. You can guess what it is. You probably know. Do you? I don't know. But we're going to have that next week. So subscribe. Don't miss it. Like, share. Do all the YouTube-y stuff. Tell everyone. We're coming for the last of Oktoberfest. Great brew. We'll see you next week.